Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It is a statutory body formed under an Act of Parliament, that is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999, IRDAI Act 1999, for the overall supervision and development of the insurance sector in India. It acts as an autonomous authority under the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. The main goals of IRDAI are to safeguard the interest of the policyholders by fair business conduct and settlement of claims within time, developing and nurturing the Indian insurance industry, to regulate the business of insurance with transparency, fairness, and honest practices, facilitating financial prudence of the insurers through solvency and stability checks of insurers, to regulate premium charges and policy terms for preventing unscrupulous pricing and unaffordability. It is responsible for registering and or licensing insurance, reinsurance companies and intermediaries according to the regulation. It sets the eligibility criteria, qualification and capital requirement for obtaining licenses in the insurance business. Head Office, Hyderabad. Entities regulated by IRDAI: life insurance companies, both public and private sector companies; general insurance companies, both public and private sector companies. Among them, there are some stand-alone health insurance companies which offer health insurance policy, reinsurance companies, agency channel intermediaries which include the following: corporate agents, brokers, third-party administrators, surveyors and loss assessors. Composition: it consists of a chairman, 5 full-time members and 4 part-time members, all appointed by the Government of India. To protect the interest of policyholders, the IRDAI was granted significant responsibility, including efficiently conducting the insurance business and protecting the interest of the policyholders in matters concerning assigning of policy, nomination by policyholders, insurable interest, settlement of insurance claims, surrender value of the policy and other terms and conditions of contracts of insurance, approving product terms and conditions offered by various insurers, regulating the investment of funds by insurance companies and maintaining a margin of solvency, specifying the financial reporting norms of insurance companies, specify code of conduct, qualification and training for intermediary or insurance agents, undertaking inspection, calling for information and investigation, including an audit of insurance companies, intermediaries and other organizations associated with the insurance business, ensuring insurance coverage is provided in rural areas and also to the vulnerable sections of society.